Hey everybody, it's Ashley from Each Penny Bookkeeping. I just wanted to shout out to Kuhn, the fantastic leader of the strategy sphere, who without my business and my life would be completely different today. She has spent the last 10 weeks motivating, empowering, helping create such amazing ideas for the people that have been nothing short of blessed to be in her presence and to be able to take from her knowledge. And she's just so willingly given her time and her effort and her care to every single person that has wanted it. So I would say to anybody that is wanting to know the kind of person that Kuhn is, Kuhn is nothing short of a goddess in my eyes. She help, and I know that if I had not met her 8 months ago, stalked her religiously, and then decided to take the opportunity that she so freely gave when she did not have to, my life would be completely different. And I am going to forever be grateful that I get to know Kuhn. Thanks, guys.